first half of 2018 has been extraordinary for us at Aerie. We've made excellent progress with our two lead glaucoma products, Retina, which is a Rho kinase inhibitor, topical IOP lowering, where we launched successfully in April this year. We have generated great interest from ophthalmologists and patients. Our second lead glaucoma product is Retina. This is a fixed-dose combination of Retina and a widely prescribed prostaglandin latanoprost in a single bottle, once daily dosing. We met superiority in our clinical trials, and we filed new drug application in May of this year. We continue to focus on ensuring that Aerie becomes a franchise as a global enterprise. Underway is a phase 3 clinical trial in Europe called Mercury, where we conducted our trial with Retina. In addition, we are building a manufacturing plant in Athlone, Ireland. We remain focused in expanding our Aerie pipeline, earlier stage pipeline in ophthalmology. And today, I'll be focusing my presentation on the two promising preclinical programs in retinal diseases. So, through our recent acquisition of Envisia, we inherited AR1105. This is a dexamethasone steroid injectable implant, which has the potential for retinal vein occlusion and diabetic macular edema. Internally, we are developing our small molecule, preclinical, a molecule of AR13503. This is a first-in-class Rho kinase and protein kinase C inhibitor which have the potential for neovascular age-related macular degeneration and diabetic macular edema. We also have access to our sustained release bioerodible implant and manufacturing technologies. This will be a key for us in sustained release to our product candidates and others in Retina. So let's look at AR1105. So this is a dexamethasone steroid implant that has the potential to lower the treatment burden and improve treatment outcomes in retinal vein occlusion or diabetic macular edema. It has 2 times sustained efficacy, every 6 months injection, potentially better control of drug elution, and also an improved intravitreal delivery through a smaller needle, 25 gauge. Our second lead preclinical program is AR13503, as I mentioned earlier. Earlier generation was known as AR13554. This is an active metabolite of nitazoxanide. Rho kinase inhibitor has the potential and has demonstrated to reduce 3 main disease drivers: angiogenesis, inflammation, and fibrosis. AR13503 in preclinical, when used monotherapy or as an adjunct to an anti-VEGF, has demonstrated good efficacy for us to provide potential in clinical trials. It has a durable effect, single injection that lasts 4 to 6 months potentially. So let's look at the preclinical model here. This is oxygen-induced retinopathy in mouse model, commonly used in research. So we conducted this trial in proliferative diabetic retinopathy. In the bar charts here, I'd like to point your direction to the middle bar chart, which is AR13503. When dosed monotherapy in this model, we demonstrated similar levels of reduction in lesion area or neovascularization, similar to the widely prescribed or the current market-leading anti-VEGF, aflibercept or Eylea. When AR13503 dosed as an adjunct to an anti-VEGF, I'd like to focus your attention to the last bar chart, is demonstrated synergistic effect with a greater reduction in lesion size versus monotherapy. So AR13503, when used once, it has a durability at approximately 4 to 6 months. And because it is a small molecule and has a short half-life, and the diseases are in the back of the eye, we need a sustained delivery. So July last year, we entered a research and development collaboration agreement with DSM, a company based in the Netherlands. Here we have access to the polymer a bioerodible polymer, which is actually polyester amide. It can produce injectable thin fiber that's miniature in size, and it's demonstrated here in the image on the far right. It's really rather small. In preclinical, when used in conjunction with AR-13503, it's shown that we are able to demonstrate linear, sustained elution rates over several months. In addition, achievement of target drug retinal concentrations. So in October of last year, we were able to acquire, the rights of print technology from Advisia for ophthalmic use. The print technology is basically a precise engineered sustained release product using our fully scalable manufacturing processes. So our initial focus had been using print technology to produce injectable implants in conjunction with AR-13503 containing with the bioerodible polymer from DSM. So I'd like to summarize that we remain focused in expanding our pipeline in ophthalmology. We have 2 retinal key programs, which is AR-13503 and AR-1105. We are very excited with the preclinical results. So we are filing our IND programs for AR-1105 in the 4th quarter of this year, filing AR-13503 in the first half of 2019, and we will be entering clinical trials in 2019. We will continue to provide progress as we made at Aerie, but thank you very much for your attention.